is actually the most important thing about sales is that sales is an art of listening. Okay, sales is not an art of selling. A very high misconception that is there in sales is that the more you do that, there's this thing called as verbal diarrhea, right? Don't let the other person speak. Tell all the product features on the phone itself, everything right now, everything. It doesn't happen, right? Sales is not about the art of pitching. The sales is about the art of listening, right? अगर ऐसा होता कि आपके प्रोडक्ट फीचर्स एक ही पैटर्न में at 200 वर्ड्स अ मिनट की स्पीड पे हम बोल रहे होते और दिखता, तो हमें काउंसलर्स की क्या जरूरत है? हम सीधा ई ब्रोशर भेजते और पेमेंट लिंक भेजते हैं, that would have happened. That doesn't happen, right? Sales is a beauty about 3-4 points. First, most important point, art of listening, right? It is very, very important that you listen to your customer. A good sales pitch is whenever you, if you get an opportunity to record your conversations with your client, you should see how much you have spoken and how much your lead has spoken, right? If you see that you have only spoken a lot, right, and your lead hasn't spoken enough, then you should know that you have done a verbal diarrhea, right? Then there's nothing different than you being an e-brochure. Sorry for being a little blunt, but you being a walking, talking brochure, there's no difference, right? So it is an art of listening. How much more you can, I'll start with general and then we go to the specifics, right? So it is an art of listening. How much you can listen and understand your customer. That is something which is extremely, extremely important, right? Second, sales is not about art of pitching. I always say sales is something where you should believe yourself as a solution provider, right? This is very, very important. And this is the most important thing that you should always think, because this will give you a complete check of what you are doing, right? I'm just adding wherever I'm missing something, right? Now, solution provider का मतलब क्या है, right? Sales is an art of providing a solution, but solution आप कैसे provide? जब तक आप problem समझोगे नहीं, आप solution कैसे provide करोगे, right? You can't provide a solution if you don't know what is the problem, right? I use EdTech as a reference because we are into this business to give a small analogy, right? Now, if I am pitching, let's say LawSikho, we pitch courses. So if I am pitching my course, till that time I don't know what is the problem of the lead. How can I pitch the course? We always say that you should not pitch a product upfront. You should not tell its product or product features upfront, because then what is the difference between you and the brochure? There is no difference. A pitch is about a human connect. A pitch is about understanding your lead. A pitch is about listening to your lead. A pitch is about having a trust factor with your lead. Your lead should open up to you. Now that is applicable in any industry, even in your industry, sir, right? So it is very, very important. So basically a sales pitch is like a building, right? Building होती है, ठीक है? It is like a building. Building का सबसे ज़्यादा important part होता है उसका बेस. अगर नींव स्ट्रॉन्ग होगी तभी आपके बिल्डिंग जो है स्ट्रॉन्ग बनेगी. अगर नींव आपकी स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं होगी तो आपकी बिल्डिंग स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं बनेगी. लेकिन नींव स्ट्रॉन्ग कैसे बनेगी? नींव स्ट्रॉन्ग बनने के लिए आपको सबसे ज्यादा पहले इसका प्रॉब्लम समझना जरूरी है. प्रूविंग. You should ask always probing questions to understand the real problem of the customer. आप प्रूविंग कैसे करेंगे? उसको कंफर्ट कैसे दिलाएंगे? ठीक है, उसको कंफर्ट ऐसे दिलाएंगे उसका प्रोफाइल समझ के. किसी भी क्लाइंट, जैसे आपके केस में भी अगर आप कोई क्लाइंट को जा रहे हैं, never pitch what you are doing, what have you done, everything at upfront, right? Because then there is no difference between you and brochure. You say I will pitch, I will tell you what I have done, but it is important for me to know that what is your requirement, what is your expectations, right? So let me just try to understand your profile, right? Like for example, if it is a student, then कहाँ से हो, क्या कर रहे हो, क्या internships किया है, क्या jobs किया है. If it is a client, what work you have done, what kind of work you have done, what experiences you had with your work, what are the challenges that you are facing in your current work, why do you feel so frustrated about it? Because till the time you don't probe and do a proper profiling, right, you will not be able to build a trust with your lead. देखिए जो सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है वो होता है कस्टमर ट्रस्ट का। ये आजकल इतना क्रेडिट कार्ड और बैंकिंग और ये सारे इतने आते हैं, इसमें क्या होता है दे इमीडिएटली स्टार्ट पिचिंग। तो आपका जो फियर फैक्टर होता है कि यार दिस इज अगेन वन ऑफ दोस थिंग्स, उसका डिफरेंस क्या है? क्योंकि वो आपसे कनेक्ट नहीं बैठा कर, वो आपसे पूछ नहीं रहे हैं कि आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है, वो आपसे पूछ नहीं रहे हैं आपको चाहिए क्या, वो आपसे पूछ नहीं रहा है आपका प्रोफाइल क्या है, राइट? तो ट्रस्ट कैसे बैठेगा? लीड आपसे खुलेगा कैसे? आपका क्लाइंट आपसे खुलेगा कैसे? जब तक आप जो है उससे प्रॉपर प्रोफाइलिंग नहीं करो। You have to ask them which company you are there, what sort of work you are doing, what kind of a work you enjoy doing, what kind of a work you are facing challenge, what kind of a work you have been doing and you are facing the challenge, what kind of challenges are you facing, how are you able to mitigate it, how much time did you take it, because all these things are very very important point for you to move to the next level. बट जब तक आप प्रूविंग ढंग से नहीं करोगे, उसका प्रॉब्लम समझो, प्रोफाइलिंग ढंग से नहीं करोगे, आप ये नहीं समझ पाओगे उसका प्रॉब्लम क्या है। और ट्रस्ट किसी भी लीड का ट्रस्ट आने के लिए सबसे पहला इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट यही होना चाहिए कि उसको लगना चाहिए कि द पर्सन whom he is speaking is genuinely concerned about, right? Now whether you're concerned about that lead or not, that's a separate thing altogether, right? You don't have to get emotional about it, but at least on the face of it, you should make the lead believe that you're concerned about it by asking him specific questions so that he can open up to you. If the lead gets open up to you, then only the trust factor will come in. Otherwise, there will no trust factor, because the fact of the matter is that they will feel that you have just got to sell them the product. Very, very important. Right? Now, so profiling is extremely important. Spend as much time as possible in profiling, because profiling, जब आप ढंग से करोगे and you will ask all the few questions, right? You would know which exactly is the nerve point that you have to press, which would take the case forward, right?